Take a ride in the 2020 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, power door locks, clock, power brakes, security system, power windows, side airbag, daytime running lights, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, vanity mirrors, cup holders. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.